Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're unboxing some of the accessories that the guys over at Pitaka sent me. In the last video, we went over the two cases that they sent me too. So, let's accessorize them a bit. By the way, to be honest with you, I'm recording this the second time because the first footage corrupted. So I'm gonna take it pretty fast to not waste your time. So let's get right into the unboxing. As you can see, here we have the cases, and I will for sure take all of these accessories at the end and show you all of the combinations of the cases with the accessories. So here we have all three accessories that Pitaka has sent me. We will start with the smallest, going to the largest. Number one is the MagEZ Grip. This has to be one of my favorite accessories for the iPhone. If we just unpack it really quickly, like this, nice, and it just enables you to have this little grippy thingy on your iPhone. It's really easy to use. This accessory has a really strong hinge. That means if you want to use it like a stand for your phone, you can just leave it like this. It holds really tight. If you pull it like this, it's really easy to take off, but it still holds strong. So if you want to use it like to watch a film or something, you can just put it to the side and voila. And there you have a nice setup for you to watch some YouTube videos on the side. You can also use it to just hold your phone tightly if you're, for example, filming someone, and you can just hold it like this. So the second accessory is the card sleeve. Let's unpack that. It has this nice matte black design. It also comes with a shelf in the box, but we are all about the product. So here we have the card sleeve. Really sturdy, really nice, also build quality. I would compare it to the regular Apple Wallet. Not much to it. It's also made out of synthetic leather, so it will hold strong. As the regular Apple Wallet, you just put it on your phone and it holds. And it looks really cool with the cases itself because it kind of matches the design. Also, I forgot to mention that on the grip, you have this little amaranth fiber right here, which matches the cases as well. And the case can fit many cards, and you have this little hole right here to just release the card. You get the deal. You know how these work. And let's get to the final big box, the car mount. Really nice packaging on this one. Really have to give props to Pitaka for making this so fancy. The box itself is really easy to open. You just slide it up and there's the car mount itself. So again, you get the idea of a car mount. You simply put your phone on it and it holds magnetically. You don't need to secure anything on the sides. It just holds with magnets. And I've been testing this one out over the last week and it really holds strong, even with some reckless driving. So in the box itself, you actually get some accessories with the mount. So when we hit this up like this, you get this little box on the bottom where you have some of the extra accessories, like I said. And in the middle, you have a USB-C to USB-A cable. This car mount can charge your phone because it has this cable which connects it to your car. If you lose this cable, or if you need a USB-C to USB-C cable, it has a USB-C connection. That's the first accessory with the car mount. The second one is one of the main ones. It's this ball thing that you just put down here. You need to quickly unscrew this, put the ball in there, and now you can just rotate this wheel to really put it in a vent in your car, and then just when you have the whole thing set up, you secure it tightly and it holds your phone entirely. So that's the second accessory that comes with the car mount. And the third one, which is a really cool one that I don't see often, has to be these two. These are cable holders that you just stick onto your car so the cable doesn't wobble around. Okay, so like I said, I'm not going to waste your time today. Hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing of all of these accessories. And also, if you have any sorts of questions about the Pitaka cases or pretty much anything that comes to mind, just let me know in the comments below. This has been it, and I'll see you in the